ask me how you set up a pixel and what the hell a pixel is. A pixel is, the best way to describe it is it's a secret tracking spider in the back end of your website. So you make a code in Facebook. That's why it's called a Facebook pixel, right? And then you can put it into the back end of your website, you can put it into your Facebook ads, and it tracks when people land on that page or when some people take an action on your ad. So everything we do in business must be based on numbers. There's no guessing, there's no, but I like this graphic better. It's all, if this graphic works better and it gets more hits on it, we can tell that by tracking with your pixel, then that's what we go with. So I'm going to show you how to set up a pixel and then how you set up an ad with that pixel. So go to business settings. So they call that the hamburger stack. I suppose it looks like a hamburger. Click on that and it takes you through to here. So under the manage business column, you want to come down to business settings. And then, sorry, bit of a lag. And then you want to come down to data sources. And then you want to go pixels. And then you want to go add eventually. So there you go. So there's add there. We're going to add a pixel. So in the beginning, you'll probably only have one pixel and you'll just keep reusing that. But eventually when you have different things going on, lots of businesses like I do, you'll have lots of different pixels. So I'm actually going to create a pixel for FemPowered because I'm relaunching that again in March. So let's make a FemPowered pixel. You can call it whatever you want. It doesn't have to have the name, the word pixel in it. Check your website. So if I wanted to set up a particular website for them to land on, then I might do that. This is my FemPowered homepage, although they're not going to be landing on that. They'd be landing on my Enroll Now page, and that's going to take me too long to show you. So never mind, we will go back to what we were doing. And we just won't worry about the website for now. But if you want to track a particular page, cut and paste the URL and drop it down into that box down there. And it really is as easy as that. That is all it takes to set up a pixel. And then when you create your ad and it asks you for a pixel, it will come up with all of the pixels that you have available. But if you want to create a Facebook ad straight from your pixel right now, you can also do that too. When you set up the pixel, so your pixel isn't ready to use just yet, you need to set it up and insert it into the back end of your website. So let's go set up the pixel now. It's basically going to give us, there's two ways to do it. You can either get a code and you can give it to your techie guy and he can plug it into the back end of your website, or you can be really clever and be your own techie guy and not have to pay yourself. And you can manually add the pixel code to a website, or you can add the code using a partner integration. So for me, I'm going to show you both. So manually, see, it gives you a big, long, weird code. Told you it was like a spider, right? That's the big, long spider thing that you'd put into the background. Or if you wanted to do it the other way, oh, where did it go? Damn. Oh, hang on. Click out of that. Go to my FemPowered pixel. Open up, open up. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you how to do, this is how you edit using a plugin in the back end of your website, so you don't have to pay someone else to do it. This is your Facebook pixel code here. You don't need the ID, you just need the number part. So I'm going to copy that, but see, whenever I come near it, I can just copy to clipboard. So I'm going to click it, copy to clipboard. Then you're going to go to the back end of your website, which I've already got open. And you can get, when you have a website, there is various different bits of software that plug into that website. You can get a plugin called, I think it's called Pixel My Site. I need to move that circle somewhere else, out of my way. Okay, so you can come down here and pixel your site. If you don't already have pixel your site, then you just search it and add it to the back end of your website. I've already got it, so go straight to dashboard. And the place that you would put it, I'm not actually going to replace the one that I've got because I like the pixel that I've got already, but this is the place that you put your Facebook Pixel ID, and then you can add all your other tracking devices in here as well. So Google Analytics and all your other software, all your other social media platforms as well. But make sure you go down the bottom, scroll right down the bottom and save settings. If you want to pixel your site, it works on WordPress, and you simply add it to plugins. So you can go plugins here and see add new. So you just go add new, and then you would search for Pixel Your Site. That is completely free, that bit of software. So that's the one that I recommend that you use. Have a great day.